Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for February 20th, 2025. What is this about? Well, it started with Walmart's earnings. So this is all what we've been laying out on Stock Twits and in the rooms about this, that there were too many stocks too far from their 20 moving average. We can take off the ATR trailing stop. I just want to show you the 50 moving average, which is the red, and the purple of 20 moving average. As you see, the Walmart was too far from it. Now, when that happened, believe it or not, it seemed like free reign for all these other stocks that were too far from them. Palantir, PLTR. How about some of the other ones? There were a number of them that have done that. Reddit. Now you got Visa. Visa's still too far. We were short. So we picked only that one. We picked Visa. The whole idea is, if Walmart's going down, does that mean the consumer's pulling back? So that should hurt credit card stocks. Now, the bizarre thing is Visa's had 1 day down. That's it. How about JP Morgan? Bad day. 1 day down. It's 1 day from an all-time high. That's incredible. Usually tops don't form from one waffle down. You then get an oversold bounce that takes back a lot of it, and then it goes down. Let's show you another time if there is one. Yeah, let's take this one. And this isn't even a good one. Right here, it sold off, and it just kept going, but it didn't have the same kind of extension down. There's your big sell-off right there. This is 2021 to 2022. Let's show you JP Morgan. When did it stop? The point is that it had a lot of red candles. See that one? That one's most similar to now. You got a straight up move. You got a big red candle. You came down to test support. But what happened was you had to wait for the defined trend lines. That's what I tell everybody if you're looking for a long-term short in a stock like JP Morgan. So you'll see the red candles down, but then it's how it works off the oversold conditions. How did it work it off here? I had a little sell-off, not much. So go back to here now. We're going to go to JP Morgan now that's been straight up. Now, there are a couple of differences. Number one, this red candle is literally 1 day from an all-time high. Number two is you don't have a lot of support on the way down if it decides to go lower. Most of these that have big red candles stopped at some kind of support. Now your support is literally 30 points lower, not even close to the moving average. As you see, most of the times when JP Morgan sells off, it goes to the moving average at the minimum. So you're not even close. So this could be just the beginning. So now you might say, why did JP Morgan go down? I think the credit card stocks went down, and for some reason they started getting to the JP Morgans of the world, even though they're more investment bank kind of stuff, that and Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs also extended, also an ugly day, not even close to the moving average. What happened last time this happened? It took a defined trend line before it then went to test it. So just keep that in mind. A lot of times I look for that. You're still way far away with no support. So I'm going to look to sell banks on rallies. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the overall market. So I want to show you this because I think it's extremely important. On the left is going to be the Russell. The Russell with that arrow is under the 20 and under the 50 barely, but it is under it. It is under it. Now, on the right, I'm going to show you the transports. They're at it. See that? Right at it. How about the Dow Jones Industrials? They're close to it. They're under the 20, not the 50. So the reason I'm showing you this, there is a method to my madness. And that is that the NASDAQ is decisively above everything. Decisively. The ES, decisively above it. So the whole point in there is if these go down enough, I think these will listen. Just keep in mind, everybody freaking out about today, we're 1 day from an all-time high. So we're going to look for that. I will look for oversold rallies to short. And I will look, though, the bigger deal, I'm much more interested in shorting the S&P if this breaks down and that continues up. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.